We are going to be completely honest with you. XRP is soon going to explode, and we know how. It's going to become so expensive that it might get hard for you to buy even one. However, just for the sake of trading sanity, we'll start by being grounded. So the lowest price that we believe XRP could go is for $5. XRP is the next gen of cryptocurrencies. At this point, it is safe to assume that XRP is Bitcoin 2.0. That simply shows you how long this coin has been suppressed for, considering where it should have been by now. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We'll take a deep dive into what is happening around our all-time favorite crypto, XRP. The first and foremost important question is, how is this going to happen? Should we start accumulating XRP while it's cheap? We'll answer all the above mentioned questions for you today. Moreover, we have the XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more of these types of videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ever since XRP was developed, it has always shown a lot of promise, and that's because the coin had its eye on the top of the seat. XRP is meant to rule the entire crypto world, not immediately, but definitely, and all of that will be evident this year. But it stands to reason that the only thing that's holding this coin back is a lot of suppression from whales and other investors. XRP hasn't always been a favorite to most whales, especially the ones who believed in Bitcoin. That's because in a true sense, this coin isn't just trying to be at the top. It will actually replace all cryptos that are currently at the top. To be more specific, XRP is said to be the only crypto that is robust enough to take on Bitcoin and actually win. And that's just before XRP gets to be a utility, because when that happens, it's game over for all of the other cryptos in the market. For all we know, XRP isn't designed for trading. It's a retail crypto that happens to be among us at the moment soon, and by that, we mean pretty soon. This cryptocurrency will be so expensive that even owning a fraction of it could easily make you millions of cash. Anyways, like we said, today we're keeping it 100% real, and from our estimation, this coin could easily reach $100, and it will likely maintain that price for a while. And who knows, XRP might continue to go higher and higher than we ever thought. BitBoy, the popular YouTuber, podcaster, crypto enthusiast, and the creator of BitBoyCrypto.com, made a prediction that this coin will reach $589, and to be honest, that's not a bad speculation. In addition, there's a lot of truth behind such an estimate, but just so you understand, that leaves a lot of room for error. It's better that we as YouTubers give you numbers that we are almost 99% sure will happen, and we are telling you that this year, actually in the next coming months, XRP will hit $5 and keep going higher. But for now, let's start with the $5 speculation. Right now, XRP is trading at around 84 cents, which sounds insane if we can suggest at this point it will reach six figures and go even higher. But as we said earlier, this coin is going through a lot of suppression, particularly because most people are trying to capitalize on the low pricing that it has right now. Yes, you heard that right. By suppressing XRP, most investors are able to buy in before the coin moons, and it will moon eventually. So why aren't you buying into this coin? The big traders will never show to the public what is actually happening behind closed doors. Most traders will be fooled into thinking that crypto, like Dogecoin, have a better shot at the top spot. Honestly speaking, there is little to no truth in that. The billionaire CEO Elon Musk is playing games with anyone who can't pay attention to his moves. In more ways than one, Elon Musk has referred to XRP, but most people actually believe he was talking about Dogecoin. Come on guys, do you really think that Elon Musk, arguably one of the smartest people on the planet, would support a lame crypto like Doge? Sorry, are you, or am I the crazy one? Elon is obviously masking his moves, and everyone is fooled into buying Dogecoin. Yes, that's exactly what's happening. He might be making a few extra coins from Doge, but the guy is the richest person ever documented in history. He has a lot of cash to spare, and possibly the money he makes from Doge is like a drop in the ocean. He knows how much money he can make from XRP, and if he truly showed everyone his plans, he wouldn't be the richest man on earth right now, would he? But if you're keen enough to pick up on the trail of breadcrumbs that Elon Musk leaves on Twitter, you would agree with me that he's bought XRPs, and Elon Musk isn't the only one. Most whales are using the media to hide their true intentions with XRP. We might all think that the SEC is attacking Ripple, but in reality, the SEC is just taking their time to give this crypto enough power to finally control the crypto world. We are all smart, but it takes an extra level of IQ to actually plan such a move, and that's where the whales come in. You will never see it coming until it's too late. XRP came up too fast, and the whales realized that the whole world would easily get to know their plans. So they sent the SEC against them just to slow down the price of this coin and buy enough XRP before it goes up high again. And that's what we're about to witness this year. This oppression is finally going to be over, and the SEC would no longer be able to hold Ripple back. That means we are about to see a bullish trend like no other. This coin will go straight to the moon, and that will happen overnight. Therefore, guys, you need to buy as many XRP as possible before the suppression is lifted, because when that happens, it will likely be too late. That said, let's now take a look at the numbers on the charts. Things look good for XRP, and we can safely assume that we're about to face a major pump for XRP and many other coins, as we call it, an alt season. Here are a few pointers to support that we are about to hit an alt season very soon. So if you look at that chart, you will see that XRP was basically going sideways for about a year and a half. Sideways moves can be explained with the 1, 2, 1, 2 move, to be precise. In explanation, Wave 1 is in the major trend followed with an ABC correction. Wave 2 then followed with Wave 1, and currently we're finishing Wave 2 of the major Wave 3, which are hints for a massive pump in the near future. As per Elliott wave theory, Wave 3 is the longest and the sharpest move. We are not going to predict the price, but our personal price, we think the major Wave 3 will end at about $4.50, which is 323.6% of the Fibonacci level, and the Wave 3 within Wave 3 might stop at $3.60. Let's now take a look at the chart for Bitcoin before the end of the video. Surprisingly, we are in the same place as 1 year ago. Before it was resisted, it's now a support. So if this area holds, we can see up to 50,000 and then above 65,000. If this area of 40,000 does not hold, then we will go down to 30,000. At this point, it is pretty evident that Bitcoin is going to go back up. It's only a matter of time. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Kindly know that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this, it might have changed to a whole new value. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP's price skyrocketing in the upcoming few months. Are you going to buy XRP while it's cheap? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.